This week on the Ford's public service portion, we shall highlight the positive reaction to a motoring problem we presented to you some weeks back in Cainta, Rizal. This is the wanton disregard for traffic signs, specifically prohibiting loading and loading. We presented the problem to Mr. Jojo Valleno, the head of the Cainta Traffic Management, who promised us a quick resolution on the problem.
Yung pong yung napakita nyo sa aming video, yung tungkol po dun sa signages na yun, talagang dapat po ang aming mga jeep tumitigil po dun sa bandang unahan. Kasi nakalagay nga po, no loading, unloading, di ba? So, ang titigas lang po talaga ng mga ulo ng mga driver. Minsan alam nyo, minsan kami pa po ang minumura ng mga driver. Kasi kahit ganyan po yung signages na yan at talagang hindi namang original pa yan dahil pinagagawa pa po namin, yung talagang signages na ganyan. Hindi ko po alam kung bakit ganun ang ibang driver talaga sobrang titigas. Pero pagka may tao naman po kami, huli po kami ng huli dyan. Kasi violation po yan. Ang inaano po namin doon, disregarding traffic sign. Napangkaraniwan po yan ang violation ng mga jeepney driver.
Well, the old saying goes that promises are made to be broken, but not this one.
Sisiguraduhin ko po sa inyo na may pagbabago po yan. Kasi po ako minsan pag tuwing umaga po talaga mismo, ako ang nandiyan po sa junction.
As you can see in the video, there is already a traffic enforcer manning the area. We would like to commend Mr. Valleno of keeping his word of assigning a traffic enforcer in the area to make sure that traffic signs and rules are followed by jeepney drivers. Kudos to the local government of Cainta for such prompt action.